everyone, it's Stephanie and welcome back to Vlogmas. Today is Thursday, December 2nd. It's actually technically day 2 of Vlogmas, but I am kind of ahead of the game with some Vlogmas videos because I have pre-filmed videos because that's just what I have to do since I do work a 9 to 5, so I don't always have every single day to vlog, and then there would be nothing to vlog because during the work week it's hard for me to like go out and do stuff. But I am off of work today and tomorrow, so I'm gonna be vlogging both days. I'm gonna try to vlog this whole weekend, so there might be a few days that we get consecutive vlogs, but today is Thursday. My mom and I are gonna go and have lunch at a new spot. It's called Restoration Hardware Cafe. They have one downtown in the city, but they actually built one kind of fairly close to us, which is just right outside the mall. So we are gonna go Christmas shopping and get some stuff done, as well as have lunch, and it's just going to be a really nice little mom and daughter day, and I'm really excited about it. So that's what we're doing. I just woke up and took a shower, so I'm gonna go ahead and start getting ready because I always take forever, and then I will see you guys in a little bit. Okay guys, so it's a little bit later. I got ready and me and my mom are gonna head out. We actually made a reservation because when I went on the website the first time looking at it, they didn't have where you can make reservations, but then they did, and the earliest they had was 10:45, and we wanted to go around like 11:30 anyway, so I just took that one. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm wearing. I have these little Gucci earrings that I got from Amazon. If I can link them, I will. My bodysuit is from Shein, and then I have like a little jacket which is from Shein as well. It's just like a longer lightweight jacket. It's actually like pretty nice outside today. My jeans are actually my mom's. They're from New York & Company, and my boots are the ones from Catherine Malandrino. I've had these for years, and I just went ahead and did like a at-home blowout, and then I'm using my Louis Vuitton push-up Motif bag, and this is what I'm wearing. We're gonna go do like early lunch. I'm excited because this place is like really cute, so I'll take you guys with me. And then we also are probably, I don't know, we might do some Christmas shopping, undecided, but yeah. Mom, are you ready to go? Oh, thank you.
I'm gonna give it a try.
Okay, we got lattes with little hearts on them. Mom's trying hers. You like it?
Really good.
Very cute in here. Very cute. A little fountain. The Caesar salad.
I didn't know it was gonna look like this. How the hell am I
got the egg scramble. Yum. She's gonna cut it. It is kind of weird like that.
Right?
This is what I got. We had the prosciutto and artisan. What was it? Prosciutto or artisanal? I don't even know how to talk, as you can tell. The sun's shining right in my eyes. We had the prosciutto thing. It was so good. The prosciutto was so fresh, delicious. So now we're having this. How's your salad tasting? Good. Very good? Smells good. This smells really good. You want to try some? Hey guys, we're leaving Restoration Hardware. It's super cute. If you guys are in the Chicagoland suburbs, you don't want to go to the city one, that's 3 Arts Cafe, that's in Gold Coast. You can go to this one here. It's in OakBrook, Illinois. Beautiful. Mom, how did you like it?
I loved it.
She loved it. Everything was so good. We ate so much food. It was delicious, but well deserved, because we haven't had a good tasting, delicious meal like that in a while. So besides Mom's cooking on Thanksgiving, of course.
Good, good, good.
Look how cute Mom looks. Show your outfit. No. Look at, she looks so cute today. Okay, on to the rest of the activity. We are at Target. Today is the most beautiful day. It's like 60 degrees almost. It's beautiful. And I'm cutting off my whole head in this clip, and that's why I don't have a jacket on. We're going to Target to get, what are we coming here for? Oh yeah, I wanted to look at some Christmas stuff, but I also want to. We're in Target, and they have all these really cute sets, and they have these little like velvet dresses, I love this. They have it in different styles. And we have this dress back here. What is this? Because this looks really cute. Let's see what this is. Oh, that is so cute. And it comes in pink and blue. This Target I haven't been to in so long, and they have like literally the cutest stuff. So we're gonna keep shopping. Okay, this is another Wild Fable dress, size extra large. Really, really cute. I like how this one fits. The only thing is, if you're really busty, you would have to wear like a certain type of bra for this one. I like the cutouts. It comes in multiple colors. This is really cute. And it has like a little bit of a glittery look to it, but it's really cute. Okay, next we have this two-piece set dress from Wild Fable, size extra large. It's in like this tan color. This is like my favorite trend right now, is like the haft sweater little thing. You get that little peekaboo part here. Sorry if you can see, I have black underwear on, but this looks so nice. I love this. And it comes in other colors as well. I would wear different underwear with this, but really, really cute. Guys, look at how cute this little Powerpuff Girl shirt is. So adorable. Little cropped tee. I just think they look so cute. In the Christmas section, I tried on all those clothes, but I'm not getting anything because I wasn't really loving anything besides the Powerpuff Girls t-shirt, but I really didn't need that, but I thought it was cute, so I wanted to show it to you. We're in the Christmas aisle. Look at how cute. Oh, this is like a set of them. I thought you can get them individually. Yeah, these are adorable. They're like little cute Christmas trees. They have so much cute Christmas stuff. This Target has way more than other Targets that I've been to. Okay, we're at Marshall's. It's kind of crowded in here, and you guys know how I get with my camera, but I'm gonna vlog some stuff that's in here because they have like a lot of really cute stuff. So, even these are kind of cool if you put like candles in them. I really like these. These are really cute. They're different. Oh, that's really pretty.
That's pretty.
I don't know why, but I hate this.
Oh, yeah, I'm not.
I hate gnome stuff. I don't like it. This is really, is this a tree topper? The gnomes?
I know. I know.
They're just too much.
I know, right?
I always like to come and look at the planners because this is your time to get them before they're all gone. This one is really cute. 2022. Looks like a really nice one. Oh, I like this one, and it's on sale for $10. Even better when it's on sale. Looks a little scratched up though, so you wouldn't get that. Computer lights. No. It's always worth checking though, because you never know, you might find something. These are adorable little cups. Look at these, Mom. Did you see this? Did you see this? Look at this.
Did you see this?
So pretty. Oh, those are cute.
There's two of them.
Look at those cups.
Oh, look at this.
Let me show them closer. Look at these cups.
Oh, we should get one
Focus
of each.
camera. Those are cute.
I'm gonna get one of each.
Look at these.
You think we should get them?
Coasters.
Or no?
Do you see those cups? Look at the martini cups.
These would be hard to wash though.
Look at these cups.
I know, they're cute.
How cute is that? It's so cute. So we're looking at the placemats. Look at these ones. So pretty. And then they have them in red too. Very festive for Christmas. I wouldn't even mind like mixing both, doing one some gold, some red. Look how pretty they are. Okay guys, so I just got home from shopping at the store. Let me turn this Christmas music off. I just got home a little while ago from the store with my mom. So now we went to like Marshall's, and you guys saw us shopping at Target. I don't know exactly what that footage looks like because the stores were so busy. I'm like, it's Thursday at like 1:30 in the afternoon. Like, what is everyone doing at the store? Now I am about to film a video. I'm actually filming two videos. I'm doing my men's stocking stuffer video and then my women's stocking stuffer video, so that I have those pre-filmed and checked off the list. And then I do have another video I want to film, so I might film that one too as well. All three of them, so that they're done and ready to go. So I'm going to be doing a men's stocking stuffer, a women's stocking stuffer, and then I'm going to do Amazon gift ideas. And then I think I'm good with the gift guides for the duration of Vlogmas. So just wanted to check in on the vlog, say hello, and we just got to get a lot of stuff done. I have a lot of editing to do. I have about, after I film these videos, I'll have 5 or 6 videos that have to be edited. So we got to crank it out. It's 3:30. I have some Diet Coke to give me some energy. And it's time to start filming, so let's go. Okay guys, so I have just finished filming. It's 5 o'clock. It's fully dark outside now. Hate the time change. I'm forever that person that complains and whines about the fact that the time change is a freaking thing. I hate it so much, you guys. Like, it's the one thing I despise about winter. But anyways, rant over. I just finished filming. I filmed actually a Shein haul, and then I filmed 3 other gift like type videos for Vlogmas. So super productive. I feel great. I am now gonna go ahead and finish editing a makeup video that I want to get up, and then I also am gonna edit this vlog, and then I have to edit all these other videos. So I have a lot of editing to do. So I'm definitely gonna start on that tonight, and then I'm gonna eat dinner and catch up on all of my reality TV that I've missed, because I've been like really busy doing stuff, so I didn't get to like actually enjoy any of my reality TV this week, so definitely gonna do that. Also, I binge watched all of the new season of Selling Sunset, and that show, like, if you need a show that's gonna like motivate you to hustle, it's that show. I love it so much. Such a good show. At first I was like, oh, I don't want to watch that, and then my mom's like, no, you need to watch it, it's good. So then I watched it. Binge watched the most recent season in like a day and a half, because I was like, one night I was like, I have to go to bed, I can't watch anymore as much as I wanted to. So let me know, do you watch Selling Sunset? If so, what are your thoughts, opinions on the season? I think it's pretty good. I hated how short the episodes were, and I hated how it was only 10 episodes, but they said that like the next part of the season is like coming out soon, hopefully. I was listening to like a ton of interviews with like Jason, Chriselle, Mary, so they were all saying that. So I don't know if it's gonna come out soon, but I hope it does, because I freaking love that show. And also Christine, not a fan. Davina, not a fan. I like Chriselle, I like Mary, I like Emma, the new girl. Who else? Heather. I pretty much like all of them except for Christine and Davina. I'm just like, no. But yeah, and then Chriselle and Jason are dating. It's like, it's crazy, but I really enjoyed the show, so I watched that. I want to watch the Real Housewives Ultimate Girls Trip. I'm so behind on that, so I want to watch some of that as well. I've just been watching a lot of reality TV, and I love it. So anyways, that's what I'm doing. I just wanted to check in. I wanted to have a little chat about Selling Sunset. Let me know, are you watching? What else are you guys watching these days on Netflix and Hulu and all that stuff? Let me know. I need some new recommendations. I'm probably gonna end the vlog here because I feel like I have enough content to put together a vlog. Sorry if it's a little choppy in some areas. I'm still getting like used to and comfortable with vlogging in public. I just get really like uncomfortable and embarrassed and self-conscious, so that's why it's hard for me sometimes to vlog in public, but I'm gonna try to do like hold myself accountable for Vlogmas and do it more. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you subscribe, and I will see all of your beautiful faces in tomorrow's video of Vlogmas. Bye.